Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open the bonnet on a Ford Transit. First, locate the keyhole, which is usually found in the lower part of the front grille. Insert your vehicle's ignition key into this lock. Then, turn the key clockwise to engage and release the primary bonnet latch mechanism. This initial turn prepares the bonnet for the next step. After the initial clockwise turn, rotate the key counterclockwise to fully unlock the bonnet. Now, gently lift the bonnet a few inches. You'll find a secondary safety catch underneath. Push this lever or tab to the side or upwards, depending on your model, which will allow the bonnet to fully open. This two-step process ensures security. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, especially a hard-working Ford Transit. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep things fresh. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once the bonnet is open, locate the prop rod, usually attached to the underside of the bonnet itself. Extend the prop rod and securely place its end into the designated slot on the vehicle's frame to hold the bonnet open safely. When you're finished, remove the prop rod, lower the bonnet, and press down firmly until you hear it latch securely. Double-check it's closed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.